Guys, welcome to part 2 sa pag-aking Now, as you can see, di ko pa nababa yung emerald. Pero kailangan din natin magpatayo ng upgrade natin yung base natin. So, na-upgrade na natin yung base natin. Napatalon tayo sa sobrang excitement. Siyempre, dapat may mga yan. Kailangan. Okay na ba? Okay na. Wait lang, tingnan natin sa taas. Slow motion muna tayo. Okay na ba lahat? Okay na. Sa susunod na lang yung third floor. Dito ko ilalagay yung gold kong tung. Sobrang mahal na guys. So, ano pa hinihintay natin? Tanggalin na natin tong cosmic na to. Tapos, ano guys. Tapos, lagay na natin dito. Hindi mahal magbigay ka. Kung bakit ayaw? For trillion na pala ito. Yes. Uy! Cosmic. Million lang. Pangit guys. Upgrade pa rin natin ito. Tingnan natin kung ano magiging naman. Trillion. POD na piso. Pero pangit pa rin. Kaya benta na natin guys. So, kuha tayo ng mga secret para malapit na tayo makakuha ng divine at maging River 20. So, bilisan na natin. Go! Wait. Ito na guys. Down number 1. Alam mo yung kanta na yun guys. Ang ganda nun eh. So, back to the point. Kailangan natin makakuha ng divine at makapunta ng River 20. Mahirap yun guys, di ba? Mahirap din yung challenge natin. So, dapat. Wait guys. Dapat, pag umabot ng port 10, wala na, talo na tayo. Hindi na tayo makakano. Pag umabot lang ng port 10, pag umabot lang. Kunin natin yung secret lucky block na yan. Secret lucky block. So we got the secret lucky block. Let's jump over this. No, it's only a billion. Only a billion, guys. To find QD. This is QD. Oh, it's only a billion. No, it's only a billion. Is this QD? No, it's only B. Is this QD? Bro, I didn't even see. Oh, bro, this is trillion. This is trillion. And this is P. Wait, guys, go. We should go back, right? We should go back. Okay, don't go back. Okay, oh, bro, billion. Bro, let's just go right there and jump over this. Bro, we're faster than the safe. Oh, bro, we're going fast, mate. We're so fast. Whee! Bro, level 54. What can we afford in level 54, mate? Bro, there's only billion and trillions. I told you. What is this? Bro, it's making K by the cosmic one. So I think that's what is my best? Oh, this is my best. Oh, but it's SX. It's SX. This is our second best. So we made it to QD. En los combinaciones. So this is QD, but we need SX. Bro, we need 500 Q and more. Bro, we gotta work harder. I mean, let's say, please can I have this emerald vaca? Bro, please can I have one? Please can I have this? Please can I have this? Please can I have this? Talo pa di pero please can I have this? Phantom na yan, guys. Phantom. Ano to? Mahirap ngayon ito. Convert Phantom. But bro, we need this, bro. We need this, broski. We need this, broski. Don't worry, that was my dog. That is just my dog. Dog, I'm gonna walk my dog outside, man. Oh, bro, bring this. Maybe we can get that celestial. If you watch that part 1, bro, maybe we can get that one again. So let's go here. Let's go here. Go here. Bro, that is emerald, bro. Is this cosmic? Bro, this was cosmic. Oh, there's a Bisonte Jupiter. There's a Bisonte Jupiter. Bro, super slow. Go. Bro, man, we're not gonna get that. Hindi natin makukuha yun, guys. Wala na, seconds na lang. Tayo na lang natin yung yung lucky block yata yun. Kahit makuha natin yan ngayon, hindi din natin makukuha yun. Daan na ako. Sabi ko na nga eh. Ano ba yan? Baka mag-spawn na yung lucky block na celestial. Go, man, go! Whoa, bro, it was so fast. Did you see that, man? Bro, can I jump over this? Bro, I did. I jump over that one. Bro, don't. What is this thing you want? No. No. I'm gonna get this. This is our chance. Bro, abandon this. You have to lucky block for that thing. Go. We're so fast right now. Bro, nabing nila ako, bro. Bro, she's chasing me. What? No, bro, don't get that. No. Broski, no. What? Bro, we got the celestial lucky block. Bro, we're so lucky, mate. We're so lucky. Wait, what is this? Divine lucky block. What? Top 100. Top 100. Is it top or tap? I don't know, maybe this. We should tap this. I'm tapping it. Oh, why does it? Bro, I'm tapping it. Oh, man. Bro, but let's open this list. Lucky block. Oh. Please be better. Not a. Bro, I took bro. Bro, man. Yo, we're gonna get that divine, bro. We're gonna get that divine, mate. We're gonna get that divine. So let's get this. Wait, what? We need 45 phantoms. So let's get it. Phantoms. 45 phantoms, but guys, let's see. Apply mutation 35%. We need 100%, man. We need 100%. What is this? What is this? Phantom cannon. And bro, what is this? Bisonte Speciality. What is this? Bro, I defeated him. And what is this chest? Let's interact it. Wow, you found 12! I found 12! Bro, my dog, is so noisy. Claude, can you stop? Oh, so noisy. a noisy dog. So let's just get this. Wait, let's see. Wait, 35, only 35. Why, man, I'm getting so many lucky blocks here. And it's only 35. Bro, man, broski. Only 35, bro. Let's get that Dug. Bro, Dug is what I'm gonna prepare with. Really, I don't need this, but it's on my... Let's change with it, with Capybara. Oh, it was Capybara all along. So let's get this. Let's see how chance it will get. It's 25%. We need 15 phantom shards to cover this brain rot. We have 15. 50, guys. It's 50. We need 50. Wait! Bro, I have a smart move. We can use the secret and just fuse it. So we can get that mutation. Bro, maybe a common one. Bro, I'm so smart, man. I'm so smart. You know what? I'm so smart, man. I'm so smart. Let's get... Phantom. Okay, so we got it. So let's place it here. And the dog. Okay, and the dog. 163. Let's see what happens to it after. Okay, guys. Bro, we can still not afford it. We can't afford it officially. I said it, we can't afford it. So we gotta earn our ipon in Philippines. We gotta earn, bro. We gotta earn. But I have no money, broski. I'm broke. So in part 3, the next morning, I will give myself a better choice. As you know a better choice, right? So let's phantom convert this to converted. Failed to apply, but you receive 1 phantom. Consider your offering. Wow, go successfully into 1 mutation. So while I'm getting this broski. Bros, consider your offering. Bros! Bro, we're getting rich, man. We're getting rich. So, bro, let's get another coin. Bro, why did... Oh, it add up. Consider my offer. Oh, my dog is noisy. Kulot, can you stop? You're noisy. Kulot, stop. Kulot. So, Kulot is very noisy. Okay. Lirira. Okay, once it's done. Okay. Officially, guys, next morning is my next video. But I will create a video right now, so it's already 40 minutes and only 13. So goodbye, guys. See you in another video. See ya. Bye bye, mga kaibigan. Bye.